Hope you guys are doing amazing. My good name is Kebshila. Thank you so much for clicking in. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. In case you're new into this channel, kindly consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be among the notified people. So this video will be all about an introduction video, since I opened my YouTube channel last year and I've never done any other video. This will be my first ever video on YouTube. Hopefully I won't delete this, because I've been doing a lot of videos and end up deleting them. Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah. So my full name is Sheila Kerubo. I'm a Kisi lady. I'm a Kenyan, currently living in Nairobi, working or schooling. I'm working. I'll be going to school next year, hopefully. Yeah. So my religion, I'm a Christian. Yeah. What will be all about this channel? What's all about this channel? The channel will be all about everything. Skincare, lifestyle, cooking, because cooking is my favorite thing. And what else? Vlogging. Yeah, you'll be seeing more of me, because this channel is all about me. Yeah. Yeah, this thing is not easy, but hopefully I'll be consistent. I'll try my best to be consistent on this. Yeah, and doing a lot of videos, and hopefully you guys will support me by subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be amongst the notified people. If you guys don't support me, I won't be doing anything in this channel. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys loved the video. Let me know in the comment section if you guys loved the video. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. Bye.